he's flying a Cessna 180, and his 9137C. Left and first wing right here, that is Benj Lulu. He's flying a Cessna 172, and that's 172 LD. Right and second lead was Joe Gerlid. He's flying a Cessna 182, and he is 2434 Roger. Slot and second wing is Patrick Horning. He's flying a Cessna 206. Happy 4th of July, 2014. Here we go. That is the Diamond Formation. So that is called the Diamond Formation. They're going to go up here to the glacier, and they're going to make a U-turn, and they're going to come back in the high bomb burst formation. So once again, that was a Cessna 180, a 172, a 182, followed by a Cessna 206.